I'm Swareena Aggarwal, an entrepreneur, freelancer, content marketer, and brand strategist. Welcome to my official YouTube channel, the baking oven for creators, entrepreneurs, and business owners. And this channel is for you if you are a creator. Who is a creator? Anyone who creates something out of nothing is a creator. So, if you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, a business owner, a creative small business owner, anyone who creates something out of nothing, if you are that person, then this channel is for you. Life of a creator is not easy. There are a lot of things going around, and especially if you are an entrepreneur and you have a business to handle, it's definitely not easy. The first challenge is organizing everything around you. Being a creator, you probably have a lot of things on your plate and you have to manage a lot of things. How to manage them effectively, that's what we're going to talk about here. Second challenge, maintaining the right motivation and mindset for your creative small business or for your journey. Here we're going to talk about how to handle everything around you while staying in the right mindset and staying motivated. The third challenge that any creative business owner faces in their journey is creating a brand for their business. Creating a brand is not easy, and especially when you're just starting out, doing that organically without paid ads and marketing, that's a huge challenge. The challenge which can be overcome only by use of content marketing, search engine optimization, and branding. These three things, in my opinion, are the biggest tools you have at your disposal to build a brand in the earlier stages of your business venture or your journey. So, on this channel, we are going to talk about how you, as a creator, a business owner, an entrepreneur, or a freelancer, can go about building your brand organically by the use of content marketing, search engine optimization, and branding strategies. At the end of the day, creating a strong brand boils down to creating a brand that people trust and people can get loyal to. So that's what we're going to talk about: how to build a personal brand, how to build a brand, and how to create a whole business that people can trust and people will stay loyal to. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Let's create a brand that people trust.